Yes, welcome back to Opio's laboratory. So this phone has a messed up screen. This is a feature phone, or what most of you would call it, button phone. So I needed to show you how to replace this screen. Anyway, first things first, we will have to open the phone, and we get in there, open that, remove the battery. Having removed the battery, unscrew the screws. One, okay, two, three, and four. This is the fourth one. So okay, those come out, and I think this one seems to be stubborn. Okay, that's out too. Now the next thing is to get between the phone and take it apart. So I'm going to take it apart by getting in between. At this point I should be using a surgical blade, but since I don't have one, I am using that, and that comes down. Now this tends to be glued onto this box, so since this is dead, I will simply rip through it like that, and that exposes that. So I need to remove that screen. The one I'm going to use is actually from a donor phone, so we'll also have to remove that. So anyway, follow with me and see how we do remove this. Now I need to find my solder and soldering gun, and then come back and start. Now anyway, you could take this moment to hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel, because we shall be teaching you repairs both as a hobby and as a business, so you should be able to have fun. Anyway, I have already found my soldering gun and my soldering wire, so I'm going to get there like that, and then get this and start pulling it up from that side. I'll move this along the length and tilt it like that, and that comes off cleanly. Now this is not needed. These lumps of solder, get rid of them like that, because we need it to be clear in our next repair. Now let me put it aside and bring my donor, and the donor is right here, and this screw refused to come out, so I just had to twist it that way. Now also similarly get myself a ball of solder right there, then get this and be as if I'm trying to rip it apart, but using the heat I come along the length like that, and that's out. So this is the replacement screen. Now I can get the dead phone out of place and bring my replacement screen and the phone into play. But first I need to swap to and fro to make sure there's no excessive solder around here. And that's that. Okay, examine my replacement screen's terminals. Okay, they look fine to me. And so the next stage is to, if you can see, there's a hole there and then there's a dot there on the other side too. So we align these two holes right there. The first one, okay, I believe that's aligned. Then the second one. Now I need something to press that fiber down as I solder the subsequent terminals. Now I'm going to use this to press this down as I move along the length. Okay, like that. And this button phone screen is for simply soldering in place. So since I already had the donor phone, there was no point of me going to buy a new screen, but you can actually find it. Locally should be about $3 or $4, and we're getting there. Okay, I think it's fine. I need to test it before we proceed. So the next thing is for me to turn it around. I'll place in my battery, and actually I was lucky that these two screens were compatible despite being from different models. So now let me hit the power button, and it powers on. It shows communication. I don't know whether you're seeing, but there it displays, and we're good to go. So we can now secure it into the phone and then come back. So I'll get to remove that, and then as usual, try to stick this down. Okay, like that. Now I can bring the front face into play. We're actually closing it up, and I thought I should show you how the feature phone's screen is replaced. Are we there? I believe we are. Now need this to be able to snap into frame. Okay, locks front first, inside, and wait a minute. Seems to be a disagreement. Okay, let me first confirm why on earth it is refusing to snap into place. Oh, by the way, here we are intending to teach you repairs as a hobby. Please do hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the videos. Right now we are on the hands-on, but the theories behind will be coming anytime soon. So yeah, be certain to hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to figure out why this isn't shutting, but then it's actually not what I think is the reason. Anyway, close that, and I'm going to bring my screws back into play. I'll bring this. This comes in here. Close that side. Need to magnetize my screw tip. For some reason, it's not picking up the screws, which it should be doing. It is. Now that side is also closed. I'll bring this into place. That also closes right there. Then the last one, and for sure we are done. And then we can bring our battery. Just sit them down. I think it has 3 SIM card trays. That's interesting. I would be tempted to get one, but let me just put back what was there in the right order. This one goes in here. By the way, hit the subscribe button and share with a friend. Ask them to subscribe. We need to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of October this year. And thank you for watching. Let me power on to confirm to you it works. And there it comes on. Should I kill the lights? I think so, such that you are able to see what's happening on the screen. Okay, that screen is there intact. It's powered on as of now. You can see that everything works perfectly nice. Yep, so thank you for watching. Share, like, subscribe, and let's reach 1,000 subscribers by the 30th of October. See you.